students, I am Ms. Munazza Sayyed. Welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you EVS subject of grade 2. Children, today's good thought is time is money. Yes, you heard right. Time is money. Time is money. This proverb tells us and teaches us the importance and the value of time in our lives. Okay. Time is precious than money. Why? Because we can earn the money back once we have spent it, but we cannot get the time back once it wasted. So, value the time, use it to the fullest to your work. Okay, don't waste your time. Now it's study time. Okay, I'll ask you some questions. You have to answer me. Now, how do you walk, children? Which body part do you use while walking? Yes, your legs. Good. So, to walk by our own, our body needs energy, right? We should be energetic and healthy. Yes. So, what we have to do for that? We have to eat healthy food. Very good. So, to be healthy, to be energetic, to walk by our own and to do many other things, our body needs food. Good. Now, what type of food? Which is your favorite food, children? Pizza. Pizza will be the first answer, right? Burger and more any junk food, vada pav. Yes. But the food is getting divided into two parts here, children. One is junk food, second is proper food. Now, what do you mean by junk food? Junk food means it is easy to prepare, delicious to eat, but unhealthy for health. Okay, it's not healthy. Whereas proper food means what? It contains all the healthy things and it is healthy for us. Junk food also can be your favorite, but we should not eat on the daily basis. Okay, once or twice it's okay, but not on the daily basis. Children, do you all know how is food made from? For example, chapati. How we can make the chapati? Yes, I also know by making the dough, but the dough of means the dough from which it made? From the wheat. Very good. So, today we are going to learn the new lesson of EVS, lesson number 3, My Body Needs Food. Open your Canopy textbooks, EVS session. Have you all opened? Okay, good. Now, see on the screen, lesson number 3, My Body Needs Food. M-Y, my, B-O-D-Y, body, N-E-E-D-S, needs, F-O-O-D, my body needs food. Our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. Our body needs food, F-O-O-D, food, to grow and stay healthy. G-R-O-W, grow, S-T-A-Y, stay, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. So, children, our body needs food exactly. If we are having the food in a proper manner, including all the nutritions, so we will grow and we will be healthier. Okay. Next, we should eat different kinds of food to stay healthy. Now, here as I told you, we have to eat different kinds of foods. Okay. Not only sabzi chapati, not only pizzas, not only burgers, not only rice. Everything we have to eat in a proper manner in small content. Okay. So if we will eat different kinds means different types of food, so we will be healthy. Now here we are going to see food from plants. Our next point is FOOD food, FROM from PLANTS, plants, food from plants. We get different kinds of food from plants and animals. Yes children, we all are getting the food from different kinds, like from plants and from animals too. Name some food children that we get from the plants. Yes, fruits. We get fruits like bananas, apples, mangoes and grapes from plants. Even many other different kinds of food we can get from plants. But here we have some of them as an example. Okay. So, we get fruits like bananas. Repeat the spelling. BANANAS. Bananas. APPLES, apples. MANGOES, mangoes. And GRAPES, grapes from plants. PLANTS, plants. Here we have the banana tree. See. Next picture we have, this is a apple tree. This is a mango tree. Can you see the mangoes here children? Your mouth is watering children, you want to eat the mangoes? Okay. Now see, here we have the grapes. As we get the fruits from the plants, in the same way we are getting the vegetables too. Right children? So here we have some of the vegetables. Vegetables such as potatoes, chilies, brinjals, beans and tomatoes also grow on plants. So here we have again some of the vegetables which grow on the plants as an example. Repeat the spellings after me children. VEGETABLES, vegetables. VEGETABLES, vegetables such as potatoes, POTATOES, potatoes. CHILLLIES, chilies. BRINJALS, brinjals. BEANS, beans. And TOMATOES, E-S, tomatoes, also grow on plant. So here potatoes also grow on plant. See, under the ground we can see here the potatoes. Here we have spicy red chilies. Brinjal. See, these are the beans. Here we have, see, small tomatoes. Okay. Here we have the presentation. We should eat our meals on time. Now, what are the good habits, children, we are going to see? Means we have to set like the time for breakfast, lunch and dinner. These are the 3 meals that we are taking during the day. First one, breakfast in the morning, lunch in the evening, right? Are you all taking the lunch in the evening, children? No, pay attention. Lunch we have to take in the afternoon, and at the night we have to have our dinner. Okay. So we should eat our meals on time. We should eat a good breakfast. Okay. We have to eat the good breakfast to be healthy and to grow stronger. See here in this boy's plate on the table you can see egg, bananas, bread, milk and this. So these different items he is having, not only one. Means as I said you, we have to eat different kinds of food to be healthy and to be stronger. The very important and main good habit, children, we should wash our hands before we eat. What we have to do is, before eating we should never forget to wash our hands. It's a very good habit, children. Wash your hands before eating compulsorily, and after eating we have to. We should chew our food well. Now C-H-E-W, chew. Chew means what? Chabana. After taking one bite in your mouth, you are chewing the food. Okay. So we should chew our food well. We should not eat the food in hurry, children. We have to take small bites. Then we have to chew the food properly. Then we have to swallow that. Okay. Next good habit is, how many of you brushing your teeth twice a day? Baap re, you all are not brushing your teeth, children. Very bad. Okay. So today onwards, brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and twice before going to the bed. Okay. We should brush our teeth before we go to bed. Don't forget. So here we saw some of the good habits. Now turn your page. Yes. Now see here. We get grains and pulses from plants. How we get the grains and pulses, children? From plants, right? We get grains and pulses from plants. Rice and wheat are grains. Rice and wheat are grains. Now grains means what? G-R-A-I-N-S. I-N-S, grains. Grains means in Hindi we can say anaj, okay. And pulses, P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Pulses means what? All kinds of dals, okay. So we get grains and pulses from plants. Before this we saw we are getting the fruits and vegetables from plants, and here we have some of the plant product for eating are grains and pulses too. Now grains means what I said you? G-R-A-I-N-S. Grains. Grains means anaj like rice, wheat, jawar, bajra. These are the kinds of grains, whereas pulses means all kinds of dal, okay. P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. So here we saw rice and wheat are grains. The different kinds of dals are known as pulses. Yes, as I said you, different kinds of dals are known as pulses. Dals, for D-A-L-S, for dals we have one more word, see here, P-A-R-U-P-P-U, Paruppu. Paruppu means what? Means all kinds of dals only, but as they are called in South India. In South India, for dals they are calling Paruppu, okay. We get fruits, vegetables, grains and pulses from plants. So, in food from plants we saw 4 things: fruits, vegetables, grains and pulses from plants. See here, wheat. You all are eating no chapatis, round chapati made by your mom, yes. Here we have corn, C-O-R-N, corn, and these are the pulses, okay. Now children, can you only imagine from plants only we are getting the food? No, from animals also we get the food. So our next point is food from plants. Yes, food from plants we saw. Then now we are going to see food from animals, okay. We get food from animals too. As we get the food from plants, in the same way we get the food from animals too. We get food from animals too. We get milk from cows, camels, goats and buffaloes. So, how we get the milk, children? From cows, camels, goats and buffaloes. Now repeat the spellings after me, children. C-O-W-S, cows. C-A-M-E-L-S, camels. G-O-A-T-S, goats. And BUFFALOES, buffaloes. This spelling is big. We'll revise one more time. BUFFALOES, buffaloes. So how do we get milk, children? From cows, camels, goats and buffaloes. We get eggs from hens and ducks. How we are getting the eggs, children? We get eggs from hens and ducks. HENS, hens. AND DUCKS, ducks. So first we saw that we are getting the milk from cows, camels, goats and buffaloes, and we get the eggs from hens and ducks. We also get meat from animals. Yes. After telling meat from animals, what you have thought, children? Means chicken. Yes, one of the type of meat. We also get meat from animals. Foods that we get from animals are called animal products. Now here we saw milk, eggs and meat. These things we are getting from animals. This food we are getting from animals. So these all are animal products. What are these? These are animal products. What do you mean by animal products, children? Foods that we get from animals, means the food we are getting from the animals are called animal products. ANIMAL, animal. PRODUCTS, products, animal products. Milk, butter, cheese, curd, ghee, eggs and meat are animal products. Now from milk only these other things are, means they are making, like butter, cheese, curd, ghee. Curd means dahi, children. CURD, curd. Okay. Ghee, eggs and meat are animal products. So what do we mean by animal products? The food we are getting from animals are animal products. We get milk from cow, from goat, we get eggs from hen, eggs from duck, cheese, most favorite, right, children? Milk. Drink 1 glass of milk daily, children, to be energetic and to grow faster. Okay. Fish. Fish is also animal product. It's an animal actually, fish. Next we have chicken. Now see here, grains and pulses. Repeat the spelling again. We have to learn the spellings in this period now. GRAINS, grains After me, G-R-A, repeat loudly children, G-R-A-I-N-S, grains, A-N-D, and P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. What is this? I have shown you the picture already. Wheat, very good. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. See here, this is also a grain. What is this? From this we are getting jawar. See here, you can see. Have you saw any time jawar at your home if your mother is cleaning children? Today tell your mother to show. Okay. Corn. Which kind of pulse it is? Masoor. Yes? Remember children? Moong. Beans. Tur. So we saw here pulses and grains. What we have learnt in this lesson? Yeah, obviously about the food. Now you might be feeling hungry after seeing all those things. Yes? Okay. So now we will revise our portion. We have learned that to be healthy, to grow faster, our body needs food, right? So first point we saw food from plants. Yes? Food from plants. In 4 types we are getting food from plants. Fruits, vegetables, 2 more. Yes? Remember? Grains and pulses. Very good. Next point we saw food from animals, right? So in that we saw the animal products. Animal products means the food we are getting from the animals. For example, milk, meat, eggs, ghee, curd, many other kinds of food from animals, those are called animal products. So now what you have to do? You have to revise these points and you have to learn the spellings. Read lesson number 3 till point 2, food from animals. Till that you have to learn. The next part we are going to see in the next period. Okay? Thank you.